So we now have a lot of fresh information about the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and Tab S9 Ultra. We have a story from the South Korean newspaper ET News on the weight of the Z Fold 5. It was previously rumored that the Z Fold 5 would not feature an integrated S Pen slot, largely because Samsung wants to lower the weight of the phone. According to reports, the latest version that Samsung is testing weighs 254 grams, which is 9 grams less than the Z Fold 4. According to ET News, Samsung intends to push this weight reduction even further, reducing the weight of the Z Fold 5 to only 250 grams, a staggering 13 grams less than its predecessor. The Z Fold 5 design is essentially the same as the Z Fold 4, with the same screen sizes and aspect ratios. However, with the innovative water droplet hinge design, these folding phones will have a fully gapless appearance when closed. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will keep the same camera as the Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy S23, and Galaxy S23 Plus, which is the 50-megapixel ISOCELL GN5, but owing to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, we will witness genuine 8K 30fps video for the first time on the Fold 5. In reality, there's a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera with autofocus. Because of weight and area limitations, Samsung did not opt for a larger camera sensor, such as the 108-megapixel sensor. Leaked benchmarks for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 reveal some pretty outstanding Geekbench 6 results. When compared to the S23 Ultras, which have a single-core score of 1578 and a multiple score of 5081, we obtain a single-core score of 2030 and a multiple score of 5213. According to display expert Ross Young, the Z Fold 5 will be available in 3 colors: beige, black, and light blue. He claims that there will be some custom colors available, as well as a Samsung unique color choice available exclusively on Samsung's website. According to the most recent reports, the unpacking will take place in August, most likely in New York. Only time will tell whether we will receive some new touchscreen technology that will eradicate the crease on the display. Samsung also handled this in a unique manner, adding an IPX8 certification to this new massive design. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.